Wealth, fame, respect didn't bring me satisfaction. Unhappiness kept growing and I kept complaining. Ever since I've spoken La ilah, my heart and mind are satisfied. When inside's fighting outside, then how can you be righteous? Al-Malik, Al-Malik, Al-Razik, Al-Razik, Al-Malik, Al-Malik, Al-Razik, Al-Razik. Who else should I pray to when you are my protector? When all the gods of the world cannot decide for me. My heart is calling Laila, my mind is telling Laila, my tongue is saying Laila, my eyes are seeing Laila. Allah, Allah, Allah. Ghaffar, Sattar, Rahim, Kareem, Ghaffar.